Hey guys, I just wanted to show you the finished product of the glittery slime that I did. I decided to add in a load of colours. I'm just using my sister's book right now. Yeah, this isn't not mine. So yeah, this is the finished product. You can probably see my camera, but it is super cool. I'll show you it in the daylight, but yeah. It's super cool and I love it. So I'm just going to quickly show you some pet peeves because I have a lot of time. So yeah, let's get to the pet peeves. So my first pet peeve is the person who only pokes with one finger. So yeah, I'm just like showing you my slime because it's so cool. Why did I do that? I did a weird voice.
You didn't pause it.
Yeah. So yeah, I got like what's with the weird voice? I don't know, guys. Sorry. So yeah. The next person is the one who like is really, really hard with their slime. So yeah. Yeah. Like it's so cool. So the next person is the person who's like so gentle. So yeah. The next person is the one who spreads non-butter slime. So yeah. Sorry if you can hear the TV, by the way. Next person is the one who is like, let me think. The one who keeps getting it stuck to their fingers. So yeah, this is awesome non-sticky slime. Oh. My slime is not sticky, by the way, guys. Just saying.
Well, it is to me.
Oh no! Sorry about that, guys.
Hold the book down.
So the next person, I didn't pause, but who cares? The next person is the one who pokes it with non-like slime poking things. Like, stop. The next person is the one who keeps stopping thumbnails. So yeah, it's really annoying. So I got the stick stuck. But yeah, that's probably the end of my video. Bye!